Hello, supermobile fans. Happy day to you all. Thanks so much for supporting this channel and for encouraging me to produce more videos. Remember to wash your hands and stay safe. Samsung has finally listened to Nigerians' request to bring the Galaxy Monster battery series to help cope with the bad electricity situation in Nigeria. Samsung Nigeria released a teaser image of the new upcoming Galaxy M11 smartphone, with pre-order starting on May 6th. No official prices yet, but here are the expected prices. I hope the official prices will be less than this because Tecno, Infinix and more especially Xiaomi are doing a pretty good job in the low budget market category. The Galaxy M11 is very similar to the Galaxy A11, except that the M11 has a better battery life, a better display quality and different RAM storage configurations. Starting with the battery life, which is the most important specification, the Galaxy M11 will have a large 5000 mAh battery size which can comfortably last for more than 2 days on normal usage, with minimum brightness of course. Based on online reviews, with 4G mobile data on, you'll be getting about 7 to 8 hours screen on time with maximum brightness and 9 to 10 hours screen on time with minimum brightness level. This is a pretty good battery life experience upgrade from the Galaxy A10s and Galaxy A01. Would love to confirm this battery data. Hope I get the review unit from Samsung. Fingers crossed. The Galaxy M11 has a micro USB Type-C port and a 15W fast charging speed, which is a very important and convenient addition when using a large 5000 mAh battery. This means it will take just above 2 hours to fully charge the Galaxy M11. Also, expect some increase in the weight due to the 5000 mAh battery. About the display, the Galaxy M11 retains the same PLS TFT HD Plus resolution like the Galaxy A10s, but with a slightly bigger 6.4 inches display size, similar to the Galaxy A11 with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The punch hole notch is an attractive upgrade that brings a premium look and feel. There is also a noticeable camera upgrade in the M11 from the Galaxy A10s. A 5MP ultra-wide angle camera lens has been added, thereby making it a complete triple camera setup. The selfie camera is still an 8MP shooter, but with a wider view. The overall camera image quality will have a slight upgrade thanks to the better image signal processing power of the Snapdragon 450. When compared to the Helio P22 in the Galaxy A10s and Snapdragon 439 in the Galaxy A01. Yes, you heard me right. The Galaxy M11 is powered by the Snapdragon 450 processor in an attempt to keep the price low. It turns out that the Snapdragon 450 is still a capable chipset even after 3 years of existence. It has some advantages over the Helio P22 and Snapdragon 439. Here is a summary of the comparison between the three budget processors, but in the long run, you may not notice any significant difference in overall performance. Are you guys okay with the Snapdragon 450 or were you expecting a better processor? Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. As expected, the Galaxy M11 will have the latest Android 10 software with latest One UI 2.0. It is nice that Samsung keeps refreshing the Galaxy M series with the latest software and features at affordable prices. The Galaxy M11 has a 3GB and 4GB RAM versions with a 32 and 64GB internal storage respectively. There is a triple card slot with SD card support of up to 512GB. There is no cheaper 2GB RAM version like in the A11 and A10s, but I hope the smoother and faster 4GB RAM version will launch in Africa. Fingers crossed. The Galaxy M11 will be bringing a new violet and metallic blue colors to the Galaxy Monster series, and it still has a plastic body and plastic frame. In conclusion, it is nice that Samsung is bringing the Galaxy M series with Monster battery sizes to Africa. Also, the Galaxy M31 should be launching in Nigeria soon with a bigger 6000 mAh battery size. I hope Samsung will do their best to give us good prices for the Galaxy M11. Fingers crossed. Other specifications include the rear fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and 4G LTE network. Let me know what you guys think about the upgrades. The most important upgrade to me is a large 5000 mAh battery along with the USB Type-C and 15 watts charging speed. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see my next official update on Samsung and other devices. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble, stay safe, bye.